In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a diamond mesh from a plane in 2 minutes. Let's create a plane, and press Tab to go to edit mode. Right-click, and type S to subdivide it 10 times like this. Let's poke the faces. Type 2 to edge select. Select any of the vertical or horizontal edges. Shift G to select similar by direction, and type X to dissolve the edges. This time, we need a vertical edge. Once we add a wireframe modifier, then we're done. That's how easy it is to create this complex mesh in Blender. To make it look more interesting, I'll add a curve modifier after adding a smooth curve. This shape would be very difficult to manually model, but in Blender, we can make this in seconds. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.